on mutual funds, we have seen the different types of risk: low, medium, high, very high. Okay, and direct and indirect plan, and then dividend and growth. Okay, and yeah, one more thing is there. Okay, ELSS and others. Okay, I would say others. Okay, so what is this ELSS? Equity linked saving scheme. Okay. Equity linked saving scheme. Why people go for ELSS is for majorly for tax benefits purpose. Okay. Whatever you are putting your money on ELSS can be shown as a in the ATC. Okay. In your tax, this is the right form 16. Okay. Under ATC, we can show this one, and the returns from this will be tax benefited. Okay. Or investment, all these things will be tax benefited. Okay. So this one, when you're putting this any money on this one, it will be locked for 3 years. Okay, 3 years lock in. Okay, any money that you're putting, say, assume that today you're putting some money here, you will not be able to take it out for 3 years. Okay, so, but this will have the tax advantage. That's the reason that's a lock in also. Okay, so ELSS for people who want to go for saving some money based on taxes, ELSS is a good option. Okay, very good option, in fact. Okay, so I'll show you some of the mutual ELSS mutual funds also. Yeah, others, any other mutual fund which is don't have any lock-in. So when I'm putting a money, other mutual funds. Okay, when we are putting our money here, how much time should I hold it? Okay, you can actually buy and sell within few days also. Not necessary. You have to hold it for 6 months, 1 year. That's nothing like that. Okay, so we have like you can buy and sell anytime. Anytime. Okay, so that should not be a problem. Yeah, so now most of them are open mutual funds. Previously we had closed mutual funds also. Now most of them are open mutual funds, which means that you can buy and sell anytime. Yeah, good.